Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Super excited you're here because we're going to be opening this Stitch Fix. I did a peek and I didn't really love what I saw, so let's see what the reality of it is. Maybe it'll be so much better than I think because that does happen. If you're new, I'm Laura. White is the white puppy dog. Xena is the tan if you see her, but she's in semi-retirement mode, so she only shows up when she wants to now. And then we have Harvey the kitty if you see him. Hit that subscribe, hit that like so I can keep on doing this. Alright, so Stitch Fix, I think, as you know, is the subscription box that started them all, right? You get 5 items if you keep them all, 25% off, $20 styling fee unless you have the Style Pass, and then it's $49 one time for an entire year, and that does come off of anything that you decide to keep from that particular box. They have a style game that you should probably play, that you like, request or decline items, and that helps your stylist get to know your style. It also helps the algorithm get to know your style. You can also get the preview, which I love. So you get about 12 items and you can pick from there anything that you like, anything left in your 5. You can leave a note for your stylist what to include. So I've been getting much better fixes since they started the preview, I can tell you that. You get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep, and then you get your bundle. And I think you just get a one-sheeter now that has all the information about your pieces. All right, let's dig in here. First up, this is by Sanctuary, and it is the Cozy Cardigan in black. Now this I love. I had my eyes on the tan one, so I did pick this one from the preview. Love this. All this fun Sherpa style outside, and then it is lined on the inside, has the trim. Check out the button detail. Hopefully you guys are seeing that. The sun's not in the way. That is so cute. All right, next up is something from Cece. This is the Groovy flower sweater, and I thought this neck looked really high for me, and I really wasn't sure about the flowers when I checked out my my preview, but I looked at it. The sweater is very soft though, and I'm enjoying the colors. Brown is huge this season. All right, then we have, yeah, I feel like somebody, I don't think my regular stylist did this one. This is by Lauren, Ralph Lauren Dresses, it says, and this one is called the Vaureen dress, and it's a turtleneck, and you guys know I don't wear turtlenecks, and it's a tight one too. It's giving me anxiety just looking at it. It is in this great olive green. It does have the belt. It's longer. I'd say probably looks like midi length. And then we have something from Rainn. This is the Leena Crochet Detail Blouse. So it has that crochet detailing through it. You guys can see that. There's some in the back here. There's where it is. And then at the bottom. This one didn't look like my style either, but we'll try it. You never know. And I don't know. Here's my paper. I was going to say, here's my paper. So we'll see who my stylist is in just a minute. And then Cosmic Blue Love. These are the Marina Cargo Straight Pant. And they are, this is pretty much a white. It's starting to be in the sun. All right, and that's all 5 pieces. So we're gonna see. Yeah, my stylist was Kate, so this was a different stylist. So I need to somehow get back to my, I need to get back to Janina. Ah! All right, so she said, excited to continue styling you for Fix 149, especially with your enthusiasm for standout fall styles. The black Sanctuary cardigan you selected will be versatile layering piece, perfect for the changing seasons. The Cosmic Blue Love Marina pants offer a neutral hue that you can wear with any fall color. Pair them with the Cece Sportswear Groovy Flower sweater and add some brown or tan boots to complete the look. For a night out with friends, wear the Ralph Lauren Vaureen dress. This will be great with the statement earring and heels. I hope you love these pieces. Look forward to hearing from you and the fit and style of each piece. All right. Let's get to this try on and see what works. All right, I decided to get the anxiety over with first and do the turtleneck dress, which this dress is adorable. So if you don't have these neck issues like I do, and I really don't even know why I have them, but I do, this would be a gorgeous, gorgeous dress. I love this little tie piece. It's super cute. And I just did it off to the side with a little knot. It is midi length. It is nice and stretchy, so it's not form-fitting. You don't feel like it's like, you know, too tight. And the color is awesome. Will go with so much. I would love to pair this with like a leopard print shoe. It would be really cute. Here's a close-up look. You can see that little tie, the turtleneck. I wonder if I just left this on for an entire day if I could make it and get over it, right? It is super cute. All right, so for the Vaureen dress by Ralph Lauren, I'm wearing an extra small, and it is $135. Next up, now I have on the Cosmic Blue Love pants and the Daniel Rainn blouse. These pants are actually really nice. They fit great. They're by Cosmic Blue Love. They have the pockets here at the mid-leg. They're a great length for me. I'm 5'5" for reference with a longer torso, so I have a 28-inch inseam. And these are super cute. They feel nice on. Yeah, I like them. This top, while it's very pretty, it's a lot of fun detailing. I'm not loving. It does have elastic here at the sleeve, which I think will start to bother me. It has the little ruffling around the neck, which isn't bad. The pattern's not bad either. I think it's more the bottom I don't enjoy, with the little scallops. It's almost like the lace bottom. So the Daniel Rainn Leena crochet detail blouse in green, I'm wearing an extra small, $69. The Cosmic Blue Love Marina cargo straight in white, I'm wearing a $2, $98. All right, so now I have on this Cece sweater, and as I feared, this neckline is very, very high. So my neck is screaming after the turtleneck, and now with this high neck. The colors in this are adorable. I don't mind the flowers and the print. It goes nicely with the pants, I agree. It is soft. It has a little bit of pink here. Hopefully you can see that in the center of the flowers. It is very soft, cozy, but choking me. All right. So this one is the Cece Sportswear Groovy Flower Sweater. I'm wearing extra small. $79. We have one last item. Last item is the Sanctuary cardigan. This one is fully lined. I have a little bralette, nude bralette on underneath here, but you can see that it's more of a cardigan, so you definitely need to wear something underneath it as it kind of pulls open a little bit. It is really cozy, comfy. I'm enjoying this so, so much. I'm going to do this top button. I just think it is such a great fit. I'm wearing an extra small. The buttons are really pretty with the little gold. It's just super cute. So I think the wins from this box are this top and these pants. I'm thinking about these pants. I'm not sure how much I would grab with them as the weather starts to get yucky, but they are really nice. I feel like obviously these other pieces, you know, the turtleneck dress, gorgeous, but I just can't wear it. I thought this just wasn't my style. I thought it was pretty, but just not me. And then this sweater, again, also the neckline's just too high for me. So the keeper from this whole box might just be this from Sanctuary. And the Sanctuary Cozy Cardigan in black and extra small is $99. The total for everything, $480. If you buy it all, 25% off. You get it for I would get everything for $360, but I don't think I have a buy all here for sure. I'm just really debating about this cardigan, which I really like. So now I need to see what happened. How did I lose my stylist? And I noticed the last two were a different stylist. So I need to see if I can get Janita back, or maybe she left. We'll have to see, check out what's going on with my stylist, because things were going really, really well. I'll list all these items down below in case you would like to check any of them out for yourself if you have no neck issues. I will put my link down below for Stitch Fix as well. If you use my link, you will get money towards your first box. This was fun. Share what your favorites were. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I know they always all can't be perfect, so I do appreciate trying things that are outside of my comfort zone. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, as I said, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.